in the world. 1936, John Boles, actor. Hey, Quaker Oats no longer makes puffed wheat. This is Sugar Smacks. I'm sorry, Honey Smacks. I'm sorry, Honey Crisp. I can't remember the last time I had puffed wheat. Oh, that brings back memories, man. That brings back memories. Wow. When's the last time you bought puffed wheat? It's really good. Hey, I might have overcooked this egg. It's the first time I used that gadget. It's from 1949. It says it on the box. I'm going to do a whole separate video for that. Oh my gosh, I've got yolk. I've got yolk. Oh my gosh, it's a miracle. Egg on deviled meat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Ha ha. That's quite good. I've never put deviled ham on toast with an egg. I've had it a lot of ways. That made a perfect egg. Wow. Take one more bite of that. Best breakfast in the world. I'm just saying. I don't drink my coffee black, but for this breakfast, I will. Because this is the best breakfast in the world, and I just spit something. Oh. And this, my friends, is chilled grapefruit on ice. This is a vintage glass, and I have no idea how old it is. Can we put it back in? I don't think so. Oh, gosh darn it. Forget it. Hey. The best breakfast in the world. 1936, man. I bought Golden Crisp because it was a couple cents cheaper than the other one, and I got more. A bigger box. That brings back memories, man. You know, it's not bad. I never drink my coffee black. I never. One last bite of our poached egg on deviled ham. I know it's not poached, but I did put a dash of water in. I'm just saying. Okay. That's fun. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? I am living in the past. Thanks for watching. Duh.